nice and empty. Man, I'm gonna miss that view, but it's time to go. So let's go.
Yeah, empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun.
Hi guys, I have officially moved. I'm in the new place. It is so nice. I was worried that it wouldn't have enough sunlight because my previous place was like floor to ceiling windows all around the lounge. It had like light at any time of the day. As long as the sun is out, it had light. But this place, like any angle that I try shoot from, like even this, the lighting is just gorgeous. Like it's giving. Anyway, I've moved and I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour because hey guys, I just realized as I was editing that the rest of this video clip got corrupt, so I had to cut out that part. But I was just basically saying I don't think I'm gonna do a full apartment tour after I've furnished because it's gonna take me so long to furnish this place. I'm not in a rush, so I'm just gonna do an empty apartment tour for now, and then as I buy stuff you guys will get to see how the updates are going. But yeah, enjoy the tour. So from here is the front door. From the outside it opens up into this little beautiful space. There's a little bit of space that gets left just here, and I'm thinking of putting like a shoe rack here so people can leave their shoes at the door. And then this first door here is the bathroom, which is a bath and a shower bath, I think that's what they call it. And yeah, that's basically how it looks. It's very similar to my old apartment, but yeah, that's the bathroom. And then there's a little passageway here. This is all my heating and intercom and everything. The flat is currently at 18 degrees. It's not too bad because the sun's coming out. And then in here is the utility. That's where I have my washer, dryer, and all the electrical stuff. This is where we control the heating and everything. I wonder, there's a little bit of space here. I wonder what I'd put here. But anyway, it's quite a big room. Like I wish they had like shelving on the walls so you can like put stuff, but nonetheless that's how it looks. From there, this is what's supposed to be the bedroom. It is carpeted, which I don't like carpets at all, but it is what it is. Yeah, that's how it looks. It receives sunlight, guys. Like there's so much sun coming in here. And this is the cupboard space. A lot of London apartments have these types of cupboards. Like it's just empty. It's just an empty cupboard. There's no shelving or anything, so I might have to get a chest of drawers or get a bed that has storage for my folded clothes. But I'm not mad. Like I really like this room. It's nice and big. It feels airy, probably because it has no furniture. and that's the outside. There's an outside balcony out there, and then the balcony also opens up into the lounge, which is through that door. So if I have people over, I can just close the blinds in the bedroom, and then we can chill on the balcony if we want. Going into the kitchen. So yeah, that's the kitchen. There's really nothing much to it. It's a normal kitchen with an oven. There's a fridge. This is the fridge. There's a built-in microwave, which I appreciated because I don't have a microwave. And there's a dishwasher here. And the rest of this stuff is my items, my belongings. This is my entire life in the UK, by the way. And that's the rest of the apartment. It's pretty long, like it's so long going this way, but it's not wide. And that's my view. You can literally see Canary Wharf from here. You can see the Shard. You can see what else is there? Some buildings, I don't know what the name is, but I know that one. Anyway, yeah, I'm literally in Central. I literally live in Central, but not paying the exorbitant rent that they pay over there or over there. So one thing I love about this place is the bus stop is literally here. There, that's the bus stop. That is literally downstairs. I love it. Train station is this building, literally, guys. I love it. And then that's the doorway to the balcony. So that is my little new space, little new apartment. I will probably start unpacking and cleaning because this place looks so dirty. The floors are dirty. It's a new build, so no one has lived here before, and that's one of the reasons why I took it up, because even though it has a carpet in the bedroom, I know that no one has ever used it before, so I'll be the first person to actually use it, which gave me some comfort. But I do then need to buy a not a hoover, what is it, the thing that cleans carpets. The word has gone out of my brain now, but yeah, I need to get that. And I need to clean the space and start unpacking. Today is Friday. I'm probably gonna get through the unpacking today, tomorrow, hopefully by Sunday a lot of the stuff should be unpacked. But yeah, I've moved. Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby. Hey guys, so I realized I didn't actually do any real-time shooting when it comes to assembling the bed, but this was taken I think a week or two after I did the apartment tour, when my bed was delivered. And yeah, it got delivered in these boxes that you guys see. I got this bed from IKEA. I was not trying to go for anything too expensive. I really just wanted something durable and wanted something that is in a good price point and also that looks good. So yeah, I got this from IKEA, and I was watching a video trying to put this thing together. Luckily somebody did a video on YouTube and I just followed that. I didn't even read the manual, But yeah, just guys, you can learn anything on YouTube, trust me. So yeah, this is me trying to figure it all out. It took me a while. It probably took me like 2 to 3 hours putting this together, simply because there's so many parts to this thing, and yeah, it really needed 2 people to put it together, but it was just me. So I was really excited this day to just be able to sleep on a bed. You too, I'd never slept on a bed before. But yeah, that's me just doing my little victory dance because I finally got the base together, and then I put on these beams. Before this bed, I was sleeping on an air mattress. Yeah, I was sleeping on an air mattress. It was a weird experience, but it wasn't bad, to be honest. I'll try to leave a picture in here to show you what my air mattress looked like. It wasn't too bad. I slept on it for like maybe 3 weeks. Yeah, maybe 3 weeks, and until this bed was delivered. And even after it was delivered, it literally sat in my lounge for like a few days before I could put it together. So yeah, if you are thinking of moving and you're in London, yo, think about the furniture stuff. Hey, like really think about the furniture and like what you're gonna do about that, and prepare yourself. But yeah, for me, I'm not very like pedantic. I'm not trying to buy like the most expensive or the most good looking thing. I really just need furniture that will work for me right now, because I also feel like I'm a bit uncertain about my future, so I don't want to invest a lot of money into furniture that I will have to ultimately sell anyway. So yeah, we have a bed now. I'm super excited, guys. I'm super excited. I wish I shot this in actual real time so you guys could see my excitement. But yeah, I managed to put on the mattress finally. I even sent my mom like a little video. I was like, look at what I created by myself. And yeah, guys, this is basically my bed. I'm proud of the fact that I could do this. Like, I'm not a DIYer. Like, I'm not the person who puts things together, but like I was so glad I was able to do this by myself. So yeah, hopefully there'll be more projects maybe going forward. We'll see. Well, since a lot of stuff come here unassembled, I'm probably sure I'll be assembling a lot more stuff that I'm gonna buy in the near future, but you guys will get to see all of that in the upcoming vlogs. So yeah, I finally moved, you guys, and I'm in this beautiful space. I'm really just grateful, man, that I can afford this, guys. Affordability was one of the things that I grappled with for the longest time, because I knew living by myself in London, you know, taking on the rent, taking all the bills and stuff is gonna be so hard on my finances. But I remember someone saying, what is the point? What is the point of being in London if you cannot live the life that makes you happy? And I knew for me, like, living by myself is what's gonna make me happy, is what's gonna give me the freedom to be as creative as I can be. And I'm really looking forward to this year in this space. Like, I can't wait to see like how much I can create with this freedom. Like, I'm even speaking so loudly right now because I'm the only person in this space. I really love it. I've been living here now for a week. I have some teething problems, like Wi-Fi. I still don't have Wi-Fi for some reason. The connection is not going through. I've gotten an engineer to come look at it and stuff, so they're still fixing that part of it. Other than that, like, okay, I don't have furniture. Like, I literally am sleeping on an air mattress, and I literally live on that air mattress because I don't have a couch. I don't have, the only thing that I do have is a chair and my work desk, which honestly for now it works. I'm not complaining. So yeah, I'm really grateful. I'm looking forward to this year. I can't believe how well 2024 has started for me. I'm really like, I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful to God that He saw it fit that I could do this. I don't know if I will be able to sustain it financially, but I'm really praying to God for a breakthrough this year. And yeah, man, this is the life that makes me happy. I'm so glad. Like I was feeling like, you know, I'm old, I need to have my own space and all of that, and I'm just really glad that I took the leap of faith and I did it. And I spoke to a few people who, you know, also lived alone, and they were like, no, you definitely can. Yes, it's expensive, but you can live, you know, you can live well, and you can still do the stuff that you want to do. Obviously, if you do decide to live alone, then there are some areas of your finances that you may need to cut back on to be able to spend towards your living alone. And I was willing to make that sacrifice. So yeah, I am feeling very positive. I'm feeling very excited. Obviously, you can see it if you're living here. Yeah, guys, like literally, this is so beautiful. Like this apartment is so nice. The view is amazing. I literally have the view of Canary Wharf right through this window and the lighting is amazing. It's so close to work, it's literally close to everywhere, and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in next week's video, and yeah, bye.